First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Word of caution as you travel this morning. Mainly the roads are clear, except for, of course, back roads that are still snow and ice covered. You still have to watch for that. But as far as the main highways, interstates, parkways, main arteries here in Bowling Green, those have been cleared pretty nicely, but you'll have to watch for an icy spot or two because we had some nice melting take place yesterday as we got up to 40 degrees, and now all that has refrozen overnight, causing some icy spots, so be careful. Otherwise, we're good to go on radar this morning. Everything all clear, and we're at 28 degrees. We'll check a weather cam or actual traffic cam right now. This one, remember yesterday morning when we had the freezing fog in the area? This is I-65 at mile marker 17, just a little bit south of Bowling Green in southern Warren County, and we are looking off to the northbound here. And folks coming southbound, they were running into that big bank of fog yesterday morning at this hour, but you don't see it this morning. In fact, skies are mainly clear and we're good to go. There still may be a little bit of patchy fog around an area, lake or river, and some of that fog could freeze on roadways too, causing some icy spots. So everything looking much better this morning than it was at this hour just yesterday morning, but we're still cold and still below freezing at this hour. Temperatures across the Kentucky Mesonet mainly in the mid to upper 20s across southern Kentucky, but we're going to warm it up today around the Lake Cumberland area. Your hometown forecast for Russell Springs, Jamestown, 47 today, maybe 49, possibly 50 for Albany and Clinton County. Burkesville and Cumberland County, 48 today, 47 up in Adair County in Columbia. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot, no winner last night, so the Saturday night drawing now jumps to $50 million. The next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be $270 million. Looking outside at this hour, seeing a bright blue sky, and then the orange and the glow of that yellow sun as it comes up through some clouds off to the east. But all in all, we're off to a great start. We may see a few high clouds here and there today and still the snowpack on the ground. We may get rid of a lot of that today. 28 degrees now, but it feels like 22. A little bit of a light northeast wind at 5 miles per hour. We check our AAA Systems weather cams. We go to Hart County. There's Munfordville at 26 and a mainly clear sky. Even now, some of the side streets are starting to look a little bit better. Just watch out for some patchy ice, where you had a little bit of melting yesterday and a refreezing there this morning. Same goes for Russellville. There could be some icy spots here and there around the town square. Russellville at 28 and mainly clear. It's mainly clear up in Litchfield as well. Your temperature is at 27. 25 now at the Bowling Green Airport. That's running 3 degrees cooler than yesterday at this hour. But actually, temperatures are going to be pacing much warmer as we go through the day. Maybe getting 10 degrees or so warmer than yesterday's high temperature of 40. There's a little bit of disturbed weather south of Little Rock, over central and southeastern Arkansas, western and northwestern Mississippi, a little bit south of Memphis. A closed area of low pressure is producing a little bit of light rain there, and in some cases even a little bit of a mix as temperatures are kind of right there on the threshold of 32 degrees or so. That little piece of energy is just going to slide east through parts of Mississippi and Alabama. Possibly, though, throwing some cloud cover into southern Kentucky as we go through the day. In fact, you can see those clouds kind of moving off in a northeasterly fashion. But overall, high pressure is in control of our weather. In fact, a big ridge of high pressure. We've got a high pressure center to the north and one back to the south and west. So that disturbed weather should stay pretty much in the south and away from us. Mostly sunny day to start. A few clouds later. Partly cloudy again tonight. With warmer air coming in for tomorrow, we could have fog developing late tonight and early tomorrow. And then after a gorgeous looking day on Friday, Saturday, we could see this little weak system coming in. I don't think it's going to produce much, maybe some light rain or flurry, but that's about it. Partly sunny, warmer today, around 50 for a high, 28 tonight with that patchy fog developing late. And then tomorrow, let's take another 10-degree jump to 60 degrees, near 60 on Saturday. Partly sunny, pretty good looking day, but late that evening we'll see a light rain shower chance or possibly mixed with some wet snowflakes, not a big deal. 50 on Sunday, slightly cooler as we start daylight saving time. 64 Monday, look at that, 65 on Tuesday and around 60 on Wednesday. Good news all the way around.